Hi, it's Grandpa's birthday today. Happy birthday, Grandpa. Wishing you long life and pleasant years ahead. How do you say happy birthday in your language? Happy birthday in Hausa is Murna Ranar Haihuwa or Barka da Ranar Haihuwa. A common, slightly more formal version is Barka da zagayowar ranar haihuwa, which means congratulations on the anniversary of your birthday. You can also say Barka da sabuwar shekara. This means Happy New Year. This connotes the beginning of a new year for the celebrant. Thanks for tuning in. Please wish Grandpa happy birthday in the comments section below.